What's up guys, Wes here with Rocky Mountain and we're back at it again. Today I wanted to show you our Tusk dirt bike foot peg bar kits for the CRF110 and the KLX110. Now, if you guys are looking to upgrade your stock foot pegs, the stock ones are really small and they just don't have a lot of traction or support for your feet. And so I wanted to show you guys this whole kit that we've put together with the peg bar and the foot pegs and the hardware to mount those. So with one of these kits, you're not only getting a way better foot peg that has a bigger platform and more traction, more cleats, you're also swapping to that YZ mount foot peg. So that's what all the aftermarket peg bars are doing, is they're converting you to a YZ style foot peg, and they're a dime a dozen. There's a million options. And so you can run basically whatever peg you want. But with these kits, they're super convenient because we've kitted them together with our race billet foot pegs. You get all that hardware, and then with the foot peg bar mount, you're also getting a more durable, better built design, and they're powder coated black. They look super cool and they're just stronger overall and more durable than your stock setup. We've also retained that ability to run your kickstand. Now I know some of the aftermarkets aren't doing that, they're ditching that, but I've always liked to kickstand on my little bike. I hate leaning it up against trees or the truck or whatever else, so that's really valuable for me. Also, if you're looking to reinforce that foot peg mount on your CRF, we also have the Tusk engine cradle kit, which that thing mounts to the back of the foot peg mount. It also works with our Tusk skid plate, and that basically helps distribute that load and support that area of your engine case and push that load back to the frame of the motorcycle that's way beefier. So overall, a more durable setup for your little pit bike. If you guys are riding aggressive or jumping or just looking for more traction on your foot pegs, I wouldn't look any further than these Tusk peg bar kits that we've got. Check them out on our website. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks guys.